All right, folks. You guys want to do a air filter or check an air filter on a Jeep Compass? This is a 2018. So the other years are just like it. It's right here in this little box. It's got 3 screws, either 8mm screws or Phillips screws. Okay, 1, that's 2, and that's 3. All right, they're pretty long screws, so they have to come out at least, looks like about an inch or so, not a little bit more, just for you to clear it. Okay, and once you clear it, there's a little bar over here. See this little bar here? You have to pull it out a little bit towards the driver's side, okay, and just lift it up. Once you lift it up out of the way, okay, you don't have to disconnect any of these hoses. One hand can hold the box, the other hand can reach in there and grab the filter. The filter's pretty thick, okay. I'm not sure if this is an original one. I don't think so, because it's orange, so it's more like a Fram. No, it's a Mopar one. Check that out. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so you lift it up and you pull it out a little bit, okay, because remember, you got that bar in the way. So you lift it up out of the way, and we're going to look at it. Yeah, the original one has a little piece of foam on it. You can lift it up, peek in there. Filter looks pretty decent, so we're not going to sell this customer a filter. Okay, it's pretty good. Just clean that out of the way, and we'll put it right back. Looks pretty good. Okay, like I said, you can't fit it straight in there. You got to kind of like go down an angle through that bar over there. So let me see if I can do this left-handed, right-handed. Let me try. Let's try right-handed. We'll go in here, lift this bar up myself. Tuck it in there. Dun, dun, dun. There you go. Once it's in there, nice and square, same thing. You want to take this piece here, a little bit of an angle because of that bar. There you go. And that's it. You actually give it a little wiggle, and it's on there pretty tight. And now you could take your weapon of choice, whether you want to go with a big Phillips screwdriver and spin it, whether you want to get an 8mm ratchet with a socket and spin it in. That'll be up to you. Okay. You can also do it with an electric tool, which will be a lot faster than what I'm doing over here. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to make sure that it's all going in fairly easy, and it's going to go down equally, because you don't want to cock it to one side, because if you do it, then the air is going to come in through one side and it won't have a good seal. You defeat the whole purpose of an air filter. Okay, and I think that's it, people. All right, I'm going to continue tighten this up. Maybe electric ratchet would have been nice and easier and faster, but that's it, boys. Okay, I'm just going to tighten it up, and then we're good. Okay, I just want to drag it to the end. Let's drag it to the end. Come on, hang in with me. Hang in with me. All right, good and tight, buddy. Good and tight. German specs. All right. Thanks, people. Ciao.